Hello fellas, I have the Milwaukee chargers C12C and I don't know, I think it's not working, the cord is cut out, so I know anything about it, so I will open it, plug the port and test it. Okay, opening it. Then we can see that nothing seems to be exploded, broken or damaged. Okay, I have the blue wire going here. Okay, got the old cable out and I have the replacement cable, used cable from the other same Milwaukee charger. Just inserting the brown wire. Okay, looks that we got it. Now as the wire is replaced, I need to test it. I will put it in a housing just in case if something will explode or so on, and I will not damage my eyes. Just simple like that. Okay, it seems to be almost closed. Yeah, I will turn it on. And we will see this battery is almost full, and now it's indicating that it's charging the battery, and yeah, it's charged, so it seems that this charger is working, so maybe that was only the cord missing for this one.